From the dawn of humankind, we've gazed at the stars and pondered our place in the cosmic ocean. Are we alone? Or does life, even in its simplest forms, exist elsewhere in the vast expanse of the universe? Join me now, fellow explorers, as we journey to our celestial neighbor, a world that has captivated our imaginations for centuries, Mars. More specifically, we'll be exploring the incredible discoveries made by NASA's Curiosity rover, a robotic emissary that has been tirelessly traversing the Martian surface, revealing its secrets one discovery at a time. Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 groundbreaking discoveries made by NASA's Curiosity rover on Mars. Let's dive into the fascinating findings that have reshaped our understanding of the Red Planet. Curiosity discovered evidence of long-gone lakes and streams, hinting at a past where water flowed freely across the Martian surface. Imagine a time when rivers carved valleys into the landscape and volcanoes erupted, spewing molten lava and gases into the atmosphere. This is the Mars that Curiosity has revealed to us, a planet that may have once possessed all the ingredients necessary for life as we know it. But the question remains, did life ever actually arise on Mars? While we haven't found conclusive proof, Curiosity has uncovered tantalizing clues. The rover detected organic molecules, the building blocks of life preserved in ancient Martian rocks. Imagine holding in your hand a piece of Mars, a rock that has journeyed millions of miles across the void of space to reach Earth. Now imagine analyzing that rock and finding within it the very same organic compounds that form the basis of life as we know it. That's exactly what happened when scientists examined the data sent back by Curiosity. The presence of these organic molecules doesn't necessarily prove that life existed on Mars, but it does suggest that the Red Planet once possessed the raw materials necessary for life to emerge. Methane, a gas often associated with biological processes, has been detected in the Martian atmosphere. Curiosity found that the amount of methane in the Martian air varies with the seasons, a pattern that could be linked to biological activity. On Earth, methane is primarily produced by living organisms, so its presence on Mars raises the intriguing possibility that microbial life might still exist beneath the planet's surface. Imagine tiny organisms hidden away in underground aquifers releasing methane as a byproduct of their metabolism. Imagine a history book written not on paper but in the very fabric of a planet. That's what geologists try to decipher when they study rock formations, and on Mars, Curiosity has been diligently reading the pages of this ancient Martian chronicle. Curiosity has been exploring an area known as Gale Crater, which scientists believe was once a lake billions of years ago. By analyzing the layers of rock within the crater, Curiosity has provided us with a glimpse into the environmental conditions that existed on Mars billions of years ago. The Martian surface is a desolate place, but Curiosity has uncovered evidence that it wasn't always this way. The rover discovered ancient riverbeds, now dry and covered in dust, that speak of a time when liquid water flowed across the Martian plains. Imagine standing on the banks of a Martian river, the sound of rushing water filling the air. This is the scene that Curiosity's discoveries have allowed us to envision. In the universe, as on Earth, surprises abound. While exploring the Martian surface, Curiosity stumbled upon something unexpected: rocks made of pure sulfur. This discovery was a first for Mars exploration and provided scientists with valuable insights into the planet's geological history. Sulfur is an element that can be produced by both geological and biological processes, so its presence on Mars adds another layer of intrigue to the question of whether life ever existed there. High-resolution images beamed back from Curiosity revealed intriguing geological formations known as bench and nose landforms. These formations, which resemble steps carved into the Martian landscape, suggest that rivers were once more widespread than previously thought. Imagine the power of these ancient rivers carving their way through the Martian terrain, shaping the landscape over eons. Curiosity discovered rocks with rhythmic patterns in their layers, like the rings of a tree, recording the passage of time on a once dynamic planet. These patterns may indicate cyclical changes in Mars's ancient climate, perhaps driven by variations in the planet's orbit or axial tilt. By deciphering these patterns, scientists hope to piece together a more complete picture of Mars's climatic history. The first time Curiosity drilled into the Martian surface, it was a moment of triumph for the mission team and a giant leap forward in our understanding of the Red Planet. The rover's analysis of these drill samples revealed the presence of fundamental elements essential for life as we know it, including carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. The discovery of these elements in such close proximity provided further support for the idea that ancient Mars may have been habitable. In 2018, Curiosity found itself in the midst of a planet-encompassing dust storm, a dramatic event that showcased the power of the Martian atmosphere. The rover's instruments recorded a wealth of data during the storm, providing scientists with an unprecedented look at these global dust storms, which can engulf the entire planet and last for months. These discoveries by Curiosity have not only deepened our understanding of Mars, but also brought us closer to answering the age-old question: could life exist beyond Earth? Stay tuned for more updates from the Red Planet. The discoveries made by Curiosity have ignited our imaginations and fueled our desire to learn more about our celestial neighbor. But the quest to understand Mars is far from over. Curiosity continues to explore, and future missions, armed with even more advanced technology, will build upon its legacy. Perhaps one day humans will walk on the surface of Mars, following in the tracks of our robotic emissaries. And when that day comes, we will carry with us the knowledge gained by Curiosity and the countless scientists and engineers who made its mission possible.